Good morning, this is Alan Buchanan, and I provide location advice to owners and occupants of industrial buildings in Southern California. And welcome to another edition of this Tuesday Traffic Tips. Hey, once again, this week brought to you by the good folks at ClientLook, also the good folks at REONOMY. Please make sure you schedule your free demonstration of both of these wonderful sites today. So today, my question for you is, does your team have too many shortstops? So exactly what does that mean? Well, briefly, when my young boys were playing Little League Baseball, I had the honor of being an all-star coach, and I showed up for the first practice of our all-star team, and lo and behold, we had 12 shortstops. So what did that mean to our team? It meant that our team was short of some really necessary skill sets. We didn't have anyone that could pitch. We didn't have anyone that could catch. Sure, shortstops can play a number of different positions, but not necessarily to the very best of their ability. So you need to really take a look at your team and see if your team has too many shortstops. And what I mean by that is, if everyone on your team has the same skill set, in other words, everyone on your team is a rainmaker, or everyone on your team is a great analyst, or everyone on your team is great when it comes to client relationships, or everyone on your team is great when it comes to packaging and surveying and those sorts of things, chances are you could benefit by someone with an alternate skill set. Even though they may not be like you as a rainmaker, they will add tremendous value to your team and propel your team forward. So take a look around. If you've got too many shortstops, maybe it's time to do a little trade, a little sign and trade, and pick up a first baseman and potentially a catcher. Alan Buchanan, make it a great week. Tuesday Traffic Tips.